Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable, the examiners, good morning. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Risa Hergistiawati from English Education Program, and in this morning, I would like to thank for the opportunities that have been given to me to present my proposal with the title is Perception of EFL Learner about Digital Learning Activities during Online Learning. First is background of the study. In this research, the researcher will concentrate about the perception of a learner about digital learning activities in translating and interpreting courses during the online learning. And perception is very important for the human life because everything experienced by the human must be interpreted and expressed to the action. And it's related with Windiarti, Fadilah Darmawanti, and Pratolo 2019 said that the perception is the truth about something that has been done and it can be expressed by the attitude. Currently in Indonesia, several universities are starting to implement learning activities in distance or online lectures, and it's according to Abdillah Hidayatullah Simamora, Fehabutar and Mitakinati 2020. And there are any obstacles when online learning classes, and it's according to Rohayani Lestianawati 2020 said that the main challenge in online classroom is the miscommunication between the way the teacher or taught in the classroom in online learning and how the course content must be delivered well in the effective online classes. Scope of the study. Depending on the background of the study, the researcher will limit the scope of study to get focus on the study. And the scope of the study focus on the perception of EFL learner in translating and interpreting courses for make the limit of the research. Okay, the research question. Based on the background of the study above, the researcher comes to the research question as follows. The first is, what digital learning activities do EFL learner experience during an online learning? And the second is, what are their perception towards digital learning activities they experience in online learning? The purpose of the study. Considering of the question above, the purpose that are expected to achieve from the research as follow. The first is to find out about digital learning activities do EFL learner experience during in online learning classes. The second is to find out their perception towards digital learning activities they experience. The significance of the study. In this research, the researcher hope that the research will give both the theoretical and practical significance of the study as follow. The first in theoretically. This study expected to find out the perception of EFL learner about digital learning activities during the online learning, and the second in practically. Hopefully the lectures will know more about the learner perception about digital learning activities during online learning, and for the student, hopefully it can be used as the reference for those who wants to organize new research about EFL learner perception about digital learning activities during online learning. The definition of the terminology. There are four definitions of the terminology. The first is perception. Perception is the way you think about something and your idea of what it's like, the way that you notice the something with your senses and to understand or notice the things quickly, and it's according to Longman Dictionary in Keong 2017. The second is EFL learner. According to Yoko Iwai 2011, defined that EFL learner is someone who learn English non-English speaking in non-English speaking countries, according to C 2019. And after that is digital learning activities. Digital learning means any instructional practice and effectively use the technology to student learning experience and encompasses a wide spectrum of tools and practice according to Basak, Woto, and Bilanger 2018. And the last is online learning. According to Curtain 2002, online learning is the use of the internet to enhance the interaction between teacher and student, according to Sings and Thurman in 2019. The organization of the paper. And in this research, the paper is divided into 3 sections as follow. The first one is chapter 1 is about introduction, which explain about the background of the study, the scope of the study, the research question, the purpose of the study, the significance of the study, the definition of the study, and the last is organization of the study. In chapter 2 is the literature review. In chapter 3 is the research methodology. Chapter 2 is literature review. The first one is perception. Perception is the way of the someone to understand his environment, and it's according to Slameto 2010 as cited in Sinaga 2018. The perception is how the people can understand and assign the meaning to the information in their environment, and also they can provide the responding about the event that occurs in their environment. The EFL considers English as the foreign language that used in the country that student in English as the foreign language. And also it's according to C 2090 said that some countries such as Indonesia, Japan, Korea, or many more considers that English is a foreign language that they learn either at school or in the courses. Online learning is a teaching and learning process that is done using the internet, digital learning activities. The digital learning is the newest thing in the learning process. Digital learning using technology for students in digital learning by utilizing technological tools, and it can be accessed to make interactively to attract student attention. About research methodology, the first is the research design. In the study, the researcher choose the qualitative method, and also the researcher use the case study strategy. The participant of the study taken from the University of Ibnu Khaldun Bogor, and also there are 10 college students who are from EFL class in English education program, which are participate to share their perception, and also they can share their experience about digital learning activities during online learning in the university in translating and interpreting courses. After that is data collection. There are several steps in implementing the data collection. The first is the researcher applied the observation steps. It's to explore the situation and the condition of experience during the learning process in the translating and interpreting classroom. The second is to ask some selected student to fill out the questionnaire that has been given by the researcher. And also the third is to conduct an in-depth interview test to find out more about the student perception. The research instrument. The first is the observation. In the first stage, the researcher observes directly the situation and the condition that occur during the learning process in the online class in translating and interpreting courses. The second is questionnaire. After observing the situation and the condition that occur in the online learning classes in translating and interpreting courses, the second stage, the researcher asked the respondent to fill out the questionnaire provided by the researcher. The third is interviews. In the third stage, the researcher conducted in-depth interviews to find out the student perception of the online learning process in translating and interpreting courses more deeply. And the data analysis process is divided into the following steps. The first step is the assembling data. Data from the interview notes and the questionnaire were collected. The second step is the step to analyze. Describing the data from the questionnaire and the interview notes, shortening the data, categorizing the important data to find the important information relate to the research focus. The third stage is the complementing steps. That is, draw the conclusion from the result. Okay, the Honorable, the examiner, I have present all the contents of my proposal from the chapter 1 to the chapter 3. And that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and sorry for my mistake, and I will be ready to answer the question, and hopefully I can answer the question well.